guys. Another rubber band powered car on its way. Just hoping I've got enough filament left on there. I think I have. Another Halloween themed one. Well, at least that's what the items are that I'm using. They have Halloween written on them. You'll see in a minute. Well, there we go. Printed. 6 hours 53 minutes. I thought I might as well print myself some more hubs for the CDs, just to make life a bit easier on this build. Now, you'll get to see what this rubber band powered car is all about. So I found these in my stock. They're several years old, but the batteries still seem to work. And they did come from Poundland originally. So if we pull that tag out, at least I said the batteries worked. Well, something's a bit loose in there. There we go. So we've got a few different sequences. So steady glow, flashing, slow flash, and then chasing LEDs. I thought it'd look interesting if we made it into a rubber band powered car. So obviously I've designed them to slide in there. And I've got Poundland knitting needles for the axles. Go through there. This one's getting a bit bent. I might cut it short, or I might just leave it hanging out. Then I've reprinted, or printed some more of my hubs, because these ones in here are designed for bicycle spokes. I should, I think that one's glued in place. Oh, that's annoying. I was going to say I should be able to push them out. Yeah, that one's pushing out all right. Right, so that's a bigger hub, or a bigger hole in the middle of the hub, which should take that. Oh, it's a bit tight. Then again, we do want it to be tight. Okay, so that's the plan. Put it together, axles through, wheels on hubs, and turn the lights on, and let it run up and down the kitchen. It's about 7:30 at the moment. We might leave the actual run until it's got dark to get the best effect. I did have to change the batteries in one of them in the end. They look like they're okay now. And it's probably just about dark enough to run them up and down in the kitchen with the lights out. Yeah. Okay, you might notice I cut the ends off the bicycle spokes, the ends off the knitting needles, just to tidy it up a bit. And I've also got a little sleeve on there with a hook on it to make it easier to attach the rubber band. I don't normally bother to do that, but because I was printing the hubs, I printed that piece as well. So we'll give it a run. Well, that works. Well, that certainly works. It's a bit bright because the camera will compensate automatically. But I think we can safely say that one's a worker. Well, that works.